Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung device. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of XCover 7. Also on Samsung device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them just for example. When you're ready to continue, you need to hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. If you want to, instead of inputting this key, scan this QR code. Tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close another. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!